have shrimp. Butter. Some over naman, hindi pa naman ito. Matcha, and let's go. What's in my bag? So, hi guys.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Ako si Ken. Ito si Jacqueline.
This is Jackie. And this is Nina. Oo, nag-vlog ako, Noah.
Hello guys. Welcome to our vlog.
Tatalunin namin si Chas. Isa-sensor ko yun. It's currently 6:56. Our first subject is homeroom. And I don't know, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin. Baka free time lang. Hello, Jade! Say hi, Jade!
Hello. We're twins.
Oh.
Magkamukha kami.
Oh, sige, pwede na magkamukha. See you guys later. Hello, guys. Kasi CR kami. Si Nina na sa loob pa ng CR.
Anything is edible unless you chew.
Oh, okay. Can't eat a flower. Can't eat a flower. Masarap?
Pangit mo lang siya.
Pangit daw lasa. Kasi kinain. Well, kinain yung CR namin, guys.
It's called vegetation.
Ang CR na isang stall lang yung
Di ba
gumagana.
vegetable lahat ng grass?
Tapos walang flush lahat. Tapos walang bidet. Tapos isa lang yung nasasara ng ayos. Hi, Jade.
Hi.
Socks niya. Kayo.
Guys, mag-ilaw daw kayo sa vlog ni Ashley. Nag-vlog na siya.
Hi.
Para ba ang babae?
Yun, ano, para ba mabait? Biglang gumana sa nila. Ito yung mga na-late back sa amin. Hello, guys. It is recess. Ano, haul tayo ng mga pagkain natin.
Siya lang may pagkain.
Oh, honey butter. At saka ano yan? Chunky sandwich. Tapos ako, meron akong lucky day. Si Jacqueline, ano iyo?
Meron akong
Wala siyang dala ngayon. Yes. So ako, may lucky day ako, guys. Since it's Friday, deserve ko to. Yes. MP na uli after recess, kaya hindi naalis si ma'am. Oo. Our schedule is so bad, guys. Kapag Friday, kasi putol-putol siya. So we have one subject, pero may pagitan na break every time. So we have 3 subjects ngayong araw na to, tapos may pagitan lagi siya. So either it's recess ng umaga, lunch, tapos recess ng hapon, which sucks. Pero so far, wala pa naman kaming ginagawa. By the way, guys, kasama kami sa top 14 ng presentation yesterday. Si Jackie Buwaya, si Noah ay Quago. Lahat nalaglag sa amin kahapon. Alam nyo ba? Yung sa akin, I was so clumsy kasi natamaan ko yung electric fan namin. Kay Jackie, nahulog niya yung buhayan niya mismo. Timing niya, nabasag niya yung jar ng advisor namin. Sila. Hello.
hello. Hi guys.
Nakain na sila. Anong kinakain niya? Show what you're eating.
Mamon. Chicken wings.
Chicken.
Sterilized.
Sterilized. Ito ate ko lang.
Helper.
Yes.
Mic ba to?
Oo, may.
ASMR.
Isa pa. ASMR.
Parang ninarinig, no?
Aggressive ni ate ko. Hindi ko alam if nakuha niya yung audio na yun, pero yun yun. Sila. Hi guys. Early dismissal kami today for lunch. So, kakain na ako kasi gutom na ako. Currently, 11:22, 22, 23, 11:23. At kakain na ako ng lunch ko. Tapos si Jackie, aalis siya. Mag-hello ka, Bianca. Hello ka. Yan si Bianca. I have shrimp. I specifically requested shrimp for Friday kasi pag Friday ko lang deserve. Nagbabasa si Neil, tulog si Noah, si Gid. Oo, si Gid. Oo, pinaninda. Kain ako. Yes. Anong section iyo? It's other. Double Jeopardy. Favorite ko yung Double Jeopardy at saka yung huli, Xmas Factor.
Well, nag-stand out lang siya sa akin kasi ang unique.
Parang ang madali lang niya explain. Tapos na ako kumain. Wait lang. Tapos na ako kumain. I have honey butter. Si Jorlyn. Dito si Jorlyn. Tapos, kain ako ng honey butter. Bumili ako. Kakakain lang namin ni Noah. Wala pa nakakapili ng Section 18. Yung pinakamadali, yung political beliefs. Hindi ka pwedeng makulong kahit, oops, forbidden word. Kasi,
Mas gusto niyo ma'am yung malalim na explanation. Mamaya, lalaliman kayo. 6 feet.
lalaliman. Paano lalim?
6 feet under.
Oo, demo mo. Paano malalim? 1, 2, 3, go. Oo, may tubig effect. Nainit lang talaga dito sa classroom namin. Alam niyo ba guys, 55 kami sa loob ng classroom. First week,
Yeah.
mga 60, 65, 66, malapit na mag-70 yun eh.
Oo nga, marami yun.
Required na 55 lang per classroom yung mga students na nandun sa kanila.
Hindi lang apat na tatak.
Dapat nasa kabilang section siya, baba ka be. Tapos umiyak siya nun sa amin. Ayoko umalis! Oo.
Ano mo, no?
Oo, iniyakan. Oo. Ano sabi mo, like?
Like and subscribe and hit the bell.
Yes.
Yes. Ayun yung isa, oh.
Pro.
Pinasulyap, Christy po.
May nasulyap dito, oh, si VP. Ate VP.
VP, what can you say? May sasabihin ka ba?
Yeah. Ang situation ng classroom namin. Ayun, hindi ako naglalabas ng room kasi mainit. I will go out later and you will see my life. Oh, you will see my life. Over naman sa see you my life. Nasaan sila guys?
Section about babababuse lang, bahala ka.
Hello, Alex. Mag-hello ka, Dris.
Hello po.
Anong section ng iyo pag natawag ka?
Section 12 apple grade po. Hindi, section 4. Particle 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Last sub for today. So they're studying. And I've explained to Ken what should be explained later. Because meron kaming table na i-explain. And we have to understand the concept.
Gusto ko rin makasagot.
Yes. Citizenship and civic engagement. We have to engage with our teacher. We love our CCE teacher. We love our CCE teacher. Do you love our CCE teacher?
Yes.
Yeah.
Palitan na kayo ng suggestions guys.
For my
Aaron.
7 like
Big
brain.
Boss Aaron.
Can I
Height
have the
ni
same
Aaron,
thing?
height
Di ba
ko.
you have the same thing?
Height ni Aaron, height ko. Dan. Squad. Hello. AJ.
Pwede na magpalit!
Pwede na magpalit. Yes. Palitan time na. Classes are done. We're waiting na for our friends kasi we're gonna go to night market. Night market. Night market. Let's go. Ay, hello po. Huwag namin nag-dismiss like 10 minutes before 4 o'clock. So, maghihintay pa kami. Nakalinis na kami ng classroom kanina.
Tama mo sa vlog please, baka sumikat ka. Huwag niyo po ako kakalimutan.
Ikaw yung family.
Shout out po
Mars.
kay
Wala. Sensor yan.
Crash Cakes. Bye-bye!
Go. Yes! Mag-night market kayo? Yes! Night market. Bazaar. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo. These are my friends. Say hello to the vlog. Hi!
So, ang nangyari kasi, nag-filo kami. Nag-test kami sa filo. Tapos, guys, grabe. Napadasal na lang talagang nakatingin na lang sa kisame kung ano-ano lang ginawa namin sa filo. I-meet namin yung aming friend. Makikita nyo mamaya, guys.
Oh, yeah. We're meeting our junior high school friends. So, ito yung section ko dati nung junior high. Ngayon, hindi ko na sila ka-section.
Shoutout sa mga taga-Arky dyan. Woo! Ano, guys? Arky! Abi! Nakalusot na naman ako dito sa OM. Let's go! Galing mo. Sobrang galing mo, Abi. So, nandito si Sir Arlan. Sir Arlan, interviewin lang po namin kayo. Kamusta po kayo ngayon? Ay, sana.
Mabuti naman.
Abi is here! Abi's here! Oh, nag-hello na siya kanina sa vlog. Mas nauna pa namin nakita kayo. Let's go
Oh my God, we're crossing the street.
to the mall that we're going to go.
Yes.
Francine! Francine is here! Oh! Say hi to the vlog!
Tara na sa bahay.
Tara na! Guys, wala akong mic ngayon. We got our matcha and let's go to the other store na. A cup of matcha after today's happenings. Hell yes! We're at K-Fun. Ubus ko na yung matcha. Screenshot na lang yan. Wala na akong matcha, tapos sila kakain pa lang. Kaya ayun. Guys, tapos na kami. Hindi naman nakakaiyak. Pauwi na kami. Baby, pauwi na ako. Oh, tara. May kailangan akong bilhin dito. Hi everyone, so it's the next day. I am so sorry I wasn't able to vlog the rest of my night last night because literally what I did is just like doom scroll and went to bed. I want to show you guys what I bought yesterday in the night market. So I have an obsession for like hair clips and I have this. And I still have this color blue and color white. I still have others here. I have a blue one, and originally this had a white one, but it went missing because like, I just clip it in my ID lace, and usually it does not hold on tightly. I have this white bow, and it's really cute, but I have now the green and pink one. I want to give you guys what's in my bag since I don't think I've shown it in the vlog yet, like what my school bags looks like. So this is a Bag Smart bag, which is the 18 liters. So it can fit my 14-inch laptop. It has a little smisky in it. I have first my umbrella. In the outer pocket, we have my wallet, obviously, and it's in color green. The next thing is my name tag. Obviously, it's like a necessity sometimes, especially it's still the first few weeks of school. I have my power bank or my portable charger, whatever they call it. I have my keys to my house. I first have my medicine kit because, guys, sakitin ako. The next thing is my hygiene kit, my hair comb na nasira yung isang bristle niya. I don't know why. My Baron and Bliss lip gloss. I have Dazzle Me, the HD Invisible Powder. I have this Fui jelly blush pot. I think I have in the main pocket is my Jisoo Life, and then it's also in green. This is a necessity, especially for a classroom without an aircon. I have my eyeglass case. So my eyeglass brand is Versace, and I just have here my glass cloth that I also use for my phone. But the next thing that I have is my pencil case, and it says Lucky Day. Obviously it's still in green. I have like a bunch of pens and pencils, correction tapes, and a green stapler. Obviously it's green. I have this clipboard that has my memo in it. Next thing is just like a notebook. This is for one of our subject requirements. I have next is my draft notebook. This is just for the drafts that I have for poems, for songs, for essays, and just my random thoughts during the day. A pair of scissors that is from Delhi. I love Delhi. I have glue tape. I have a towel. It gets really hot and sometimes I get really sweaty. And then last but not the least, I have a book. So this is Ali Tap Tap sa Gabing Madilim by Lualhati Bautista. To kill time, I read books. And so far, this collection of poems and also stories is so freaking good. I really enjoy Lualhati and I enjoy Filipino literature. So yeah, that ends the what's in my bag. That's how a typical Friday looks like for me. And I'm very happy that I am surrounded by good people, with good friends, with good food, of course, and also in general, like I'm just really grateful that I'm able to pursue the things that I love. And even with a lot of heartbreaks and all that, I allow myself to cry as well because I cried yesterday. Kasi parang it's okay to cry, it's okay to express emotions. And I hope you guys don't bottle it up because no matter how busy you are, it is important to always keep in check your emotions and also your well-being. But the thing is that if you keep ignoring it, it'll just pile up and you won't be able to process it in the ways that you want it. Ayun, gusto ko lang mag-remind, ewan ko, sentimental ba, but like, being vulnerable is also a part of growing. It's okay to ask for help, or it's okay not to be alone at all times. And yeah, I hope everyone is having a really nice July, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!